All right. We've got more crazy guys coming up very soon. The next guy I'm about to call on stage, this guy, I don't like when they say upcoming comedians. You know, if you're a comedian, you're a comedian. If you're a musician, you're a musician. And I need us to do them one favor, Chief. The favor, I'm begging you guys, this stuff is actually recorded and they're going to televise it. And it's our show, it's a comedy show. We're celebrating comedy tonight. I would like each and every one of us to give all the comedians a round, like, you know, just hail them like you know them and you love them. Pretend if you have to. But we need that energy. So if the camera just zoom past, you know, they do like this. So you know, people where they watch them, like these Oyibo people where they watch our stuff, make them know say, una self, they appreciate una own talent. You know, if they see their own, people they faint. I don't want anybody faint to know. Just normal, and we know they ask for much. Just hail, like, you know, just hey, you know. I beg for every comedian. We have about like 6, 7 comedians coming up back to back. So anytime I call anyone, whether na wild chat call them, I beg at the beg. Una know most of them, at least I know 90% of them, but pretend, say you love them, pass as you love them. Just hail, shout. If you stand up, I don't mind. I beg at the beg. Now I beg. They record this thing because when they call the band, all these two-face, when they rush come front. We know one more rush come front. Stay where you did, but just shout from there. I beg. Thank you. God go bless you now. I beg. Thank you. You go better for now. So now I go introduce them, like, you know, ladies and gentlemen. The next guy I'm about to call on stage happens to be one of the most spontaneous comedians. He's on point with his deliveries. His timing is unique, and his humor is extremely excellent. We're talking about one of the best kids right now, one of the biggest experts when it comes to proper stand-up comedy that we're celebrating tonight. Make some noise for the one, the only Bash!
See, all the way, I carry myself, come hustle for Lagos, say all the way, I carry myself, people they think back from Port
Harcourt. Ladies and gentlemen, please your wonderful hands together for yourself. Show some love, show some love. Wow. Redeem unplug. See Botti. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. See them VIP people. They are going to see Santa Claus. All those of you living around streets that have the names of the streets have surnames. Naoli Highland, Ajose Adeogun, Adiola Odeku, Bishop Aboy Adeko. Immediately you don't cross Third Milan, a strong name de the area, Shangisha, Odoshoki, Eyen Koni, Alakuku, Alagbado, Sari Gomo, Egbedako, Ojo Tabon. Forget. I don't know where to start from. Lagos, let me start with politics. How many of you don't know, say, no Nigerian politician will doing finger like this? No one, don't die. Anyone will do 2 finger now, die. If not, like, check him now, Awolowo will start him. Awolowo will do like this, see? MK Abiola do like this, see? Fusha Williams do like this, see? You don't see their new poster, and I show them the standard. Tobabewa. Mako Blow Buelori. Every day for Lagos, we go, they pray to God and Fashola, may we no go back village. May we no go back village. When we no go back village, this caretaker for Lagos, the rate where they take increase house rent. You go rent house 100,000, pay agreement 200,000, commission 200,000. Waiting with the agree, waiting with the commission. Before you know you go say house rent too much from Ikoyi. From Ikoyi you move to Ikeja. Ikeja you move to Ikorodu. Ikorodu you move to Mowe. Mowe you move to Bafo. No be express you don't they go so. No be from Shagamu you go choose where you they go. Maybe you they go Ibadan or Benin or. Fashola don't take all colors of cloth for Lagos. Take the uniform finish. Watch am. Yellow for Lamata, purple for Lasma, green for Loma. Yellow. Very soon color go finish. Now Ankara and lace they go to use. You go see standard started like this for Maryland. Ewole and you Ankara Jordan of Lagos State. What are you people doing? Catching people with dirty Ankara? Forget this country where we did. Forget. I was discussing with someone the other time. Please, the government have to take note of this. Indian M is becoming an issue in this country. Am I lying? Area boy for Lagos, the rate where they take smoke. And one thing where they tell me, they get like 3 waka. Now this one that they call Biyanyo. They got the one where they call Tuale. One guy go smoke. He head con knock. The guy can't stand up for a Ikorodu road. He won't enter motor. See motor, they pass. The guy no see motor. Now he decide to take Okada. The first Okada came. The guy just opened eye. The guy said Okada. The Okada man said where? The guy said Germany. Okada lati be lo Germany we lele you. He still standard there. Second Okada come. He said Okada. That one said where? He said USA. When God go catch and the third Okada where they come to don't smoke the go like I hear don't knock. You know all those Okada for Lagos where we say people where they ride down no they sit down straight now so they go bend. They go come get two speakers. You go call the skuru. As he see Okada, that one say where? He said Canada. Wọ́n ọmọ ìyá mi go ṣe ń bọ̀ láti South Africa ni mo lọ wo World Cup. Wait till the go. Forget. I was discovering somebody the other time. I will tell you one thing. I'll just do it snappy. I'll tell you one thing. If they do arm robber, no fit come your house. Especially people where they live face me, I face you. If the arm robber don't rob the first house, rob the second house, rob the third house. If you remain in your room, open your door. Off all your lights. Can't they smoke cigar, he go, can't take your voice. If the arm robber reach there, now then go talk. This one open door. Who they inside? Tell them, enter. They go say for where? You two on light. You go say, enter. Now then go shout, Olo Shiole. Over go water go. Woo! They go run. Forget. I read. Now let's make it snappy. I read it in the newspaper 3 weeks ago that 25 people die in one European country. Why? Then take light for 5 minutes. Light. We Nigerians, we. If we get light for 2 hours for morning, now we ourselves go to complain. Can't we shimu no ilaka fiton lale wo lori buruku ko pa no now. E wo lo shi no to ton lataro now. This is the only country in the whole world that will say light as privilege and not as right. Have you? Imagine say they come back from work, you say, awon lo shimu no wa sha up nepa oluwa seun. I was telling somebody, watch, original BlackBerry, 85,000. China BlackBerry, 2,500. The 2,500, they get something past the original, one phone. Only the phone go get television, radio, antenna, MP3, Bluetooth, infrared, double SIM, loudspeaker, FHI. People go now complain, say the phone fall, is spoiled. My brother, how we no go spoil? If person will be human being, only you get malaria, gonorrhea, syphilis, cancer, diabetes, stroke. Person no go die. You go die now. I don't want to waste your time. Oh God. Now, it is only in Lagos that we appreciate entertainers. Please, your wonderful hands together for all everybody that perform here today. You people are wonderful. You're awesome. Now, Lagos, if the bunch enter here now, all these ladies say, oh my God, the bench, all those girls we wear Nigerian wig, Brazilian wig, 250,000, carry Okada. You know they say now 4 Okada you put for head? 4 Okadas for your head. You carry Okada with 250,000. An advice, Mary Kay is not meant for people riding Okada. Mary Kay is meant for people using car with AC. Under this Lagos hot sun, you go rob Mary Kay, climb Okada, sun go beat you, Mary go there, Kay go there, and house go there, me do. Now Lagos, they appreciate stars. If the band enter here, everybody go on faith. Oh my God, as the band. You go they feel like star. Me and the band go do show for Ogbomoso. They pay for 5,000, come watch the band, Jowo Kokwebe. As the band they sing, go on pali, see how Ogbomoso girls. Say, Oloribu, the band jeta son, why worry? The band they sing, share the band jati, that's why worry. The band called they do like this, no long time. Mongba kilo shelo wash only warapani. The band is saying Lagos. When he finish, you don't say Lagos, if you come outside, people go, they take picture, autograph, or Ogbomoso, he day outside, 4 hours, nobody go meet him. Now he come to introduce himself, if they go, you know, say I will tap you, you don't know me, my brother. I'm the Banchi. Oski Van Lama Drachans can call me. All those guys say, Ewolori booking Kasesi. Don't just they one corner, they call him, the Banchi, that boy, the Banchi. You know, here, now there one boyfriend come, you know what this area boy? Oh, be alone. Mr. Dibansky, now the band look there. Don't be embedded. Now he land the band. Boom! Who they call you for there? Now the band look up. It's Don Jazzy again. Bawo lo sheri. Very. Ladies and gentlemen, it's really nice to be here this evening. Hey, why? Also. But before I tell you, I would like to say thank you very much to all of you for supporting the Nigerian entertainment industry. And this last joke I have to do it because I've never done it on Radio Unplug. It's called ATM. How many of you don't notice, say, if ATM, they tell us the amount where they are our account, queue no go dey plenty for ATM. You won't go collect money, you put your card, the ATM call you, Mr. Jude Aloba. You have 30 million naira in your account. Now the girls where they go first greet you. Oh God, you do they here with the greet too. With the greet. But if I say the ATM, call you. Peter, Obasi, you know they hear word. She know they hear. I can't imagine make the ATM they talk Nigerian language. How we go be? Like ATM where they Calabar, you don't understand Calabar, you want to go collect money. As you put your card, you hear something like this. Mom! Hey! By the time when you complain, which kind of language be this? Now the ATM they reply you. Say sorry, brother. Now so them program am. Even me where they talk, no know what they talk. Igbo kwenu. When an Igbo man is moving to collect money, it will park. Remove the card. You know the song. As he near the ATM, he won't put the card. The ATM tell her, nah man, I'll market. The guy say market today. He can't ask him, where are you coming from? The guy say, Bia Palo. He no say the ATM na born again. Now the ATM begin preach, brother, repent. Salvation is better than earthly desire. Don't that the guy say thank you. When the guy press the money, na 10,000 naira, you won't collect. He come press 10,000. When he count the money, na 9,000. The guy say, what happened? The ATM say, shut up. After my preaching, I don't come out my tithes 10%. But the ATM we are going like partner is Saleko ATM. You know, say all those boys, their body know they reach ground. If they're the waka, when in near the ATM, you go, oh my ego, a year on the budget, your card, your jaddy, lower cock office in the machine, come show the boot around my year when they jai, when he put the money inside the machine will tell him, oh long, tell no by to the jack, but the machine can't do mistake. The guy can't do mistake, press 9,099 and 99 couple 98 oh, we will test me and changing B. Before you know the ATM go come out where you the brother Josh, need to 500 cash me. Uncle Josh, 500 cash me. But the last ATM is Ibadan. Very respectable people. When you are moving to the ATM, you hear something like this. Ekabo, but that me. And he say Oribu. Your card in KFC no machine, come on. You come out your card, put that inside the machine. Number you see Ori card in were. God can't catch you. You don't get money for the account. Now the ATM go announce, everybody go here. Anybody that means send 30. Ni shishi, you know account. Yoruba man dey stock man, you go repress am. Any more bon shake for you. Ale ni ko bo nínú account. If you try and the thought am láti mo rin yin olosi akuse ni. E ko si kúrò di machine ke je ka won to lówó gidi wá gbowó ọ̀nà rẹ̀. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is BASH, the Comedy King Club.
Go!
Couple of drinks in me, feeling a little tipsy.